So in this tutorial, I'm quickly going to show you how to use the Facebook Marketplace. So you're logged into your Facebook, ensure you're logged into your Facebook, and then click on here, the Marketplace. Yeah. Then once you click on it, you just go to create a new listing. So to create a new listing, do you want an items for sale, a vehicle, or a property? So we have item for sale. If you're in real estate, property for sale. If you try to sell a car, vehicle for sale. So here you add photos. Now you can add as much as 10 photos, but it's very good that you add photos with different angles, not the same photo. So I'll just click on this plus icon and it will take me to my gallery, and I'll just pick what I want to add there. I'm trying to sell, this business sells hair, luxury hair. Yeah, they're very good. So you want to patronize them. So after that, you put in the title of the hair in here. So for this particular hair, it is 14 inches 200. The title is 214 inches 200 grams, um Vietnam super double drawn. So you can have all of these details on your on the title, or you can have Vietnam super double drawn and whatever you want, but as detailed as possible, as detailed as possible is required. So you can have this, or you can just have all of them and just remove just 14 inches Vietnam super double drawn, and then you come to the description and you put this here. So the price of the hair is 95,000 naira, and you choose the category. So the category is, it's a hair. Um, Let me go back. It's a hair, women, not clothing and accessories. Okay, so the closest is jewelries and accessories, not clothing and shoes. So let me check through. Okay, so we'll just choose jewelries and accessories, and that's health and beauty. That's all we're choosing. Then condition of the hair is new, so choose the condition of the hair. Then availability, is it list as a single item or list as a stock? When you say stock, maybe you have more than one. If you have more than one, you can put the, when you click list as a stock, you put how many you have. So list as a single item. If you click list as a stock, you can list how many you have. So it's not a bracelet, it's not a gemstone. These are optional. Brands we're not putting, material we're not putting. But if you have all of this, maybe you're selling designers and you have these details, please put material, leather, whatever, please do put. And then product tags if you have. So I can just put human hair. Once you put it and click on enter or comma, it enters. So you can put as many as you want. So we have super double drawn. Okay, so you can have all of that. And then this SKU is the quantity you have, your stock keeping unit for it. Location is Port Harcourt. Now, there's something beautiful about this marketplace. If you say, I don't want my friends on Facebook to know I'm selling this, you can toggle this on to hide it from your friends. But if you want everybody, you can leave it and you go to next. So if you go to next, the beautiful thing is it's going to be posted on marketplace. But if you're in other groups and you want to also post them, do you see how beautiful it is? So you can toggle this, click all the marketplace you want to, and if possible join others and click on publish. So here it is, you have your hair listed. So whenever you come back, let me go back to home again. Whenever you come back to marketplace and you want to view your listing, you can just you can just go here. Where's that place? No notification. So selling, yes, on the selling, you go to your listing. So just go to on the selling, you go to your listing, you see, and when you're done, when you're out of stock, you can click out of stock. And you can also share this to Facebook. If you click on share, you can share it as a listing, share it to a friend's profile, share it to a group, share it to a page. You can share it to your page, that's your Facebook page where you're selling. So and it will reach more people. So if you click on this toggle icon, you can delete this listing if you want. You can edit it if you want. You can list it at another places, or you can mark it as spending. Maybe you're out of stock, you can mark it as spending, and then you come back later and toggle it on when it's available. So your listing is usually reviewed for a little while before it is approved. So once it's approved, Facebook will let you know it's approved, and people will be able to find it in your marketplace. Another thing you want to know about the marketplace is promotions. Now, whatever you list, you can actually promote. So to promote, the listing has not been approved. To promote, you just create a promotion, and then you click the item you want to promote, name the promotion, let's say um, Vietnam. Now you need to know that you can actually um, you can actually add more than one listing, so you can promote more than one. So you can click all of them on to promote, and then you click the promotion type. Maybe you're doing 5% off or 10% off or something. So you put it there. That's a flat discount, and you put the time. So for example, this Vietnam hair has a flat percentage. I'm going to do a flat percentage off. Um, so the percentage discount of the hair is, there's actually a 5% off. So if you buy the hair, you get 5% off because they're running a sale. So let me quickly identify. So it's 5%. So I'll just get 5% off. And the end date is July 31st. End time is 11:59. Let's say 11:45 p.m. And then I'll click on promote, create a promotion. Okay, yeah, this is the listing I'm working on, and then create a promotion. So people will see that your product is actually on sales. Now, when you're doing these promotions, I usually encourage that you do not use dollar off because your price is in naira, so it might not turn out well. So you want to do that, and then you click on promotions, it will promote. Now it's not going because this product has not been approved, it's still being reviewed. So once it's reviewed and you do all of this, you're good to go. It's going to actually promote. Then you can also boost the listing. You can boost them, see the boosted listing. When you go to your listing here, okay, I think it's just been approved. Think so. So when you go to your listing here, you can actually boost it. So you can open view more to see. This is the listing. If you open your listing, you can see the message you've got from the listing, if people have commented on it, and insight. Insight tells you how many people have viewed it, maybe listing, saved it, or even shared. So you can see how well it's doing, or if you need to modify. I love insights a lot. They help you take decisions. So this is the marketplace. Now, if you want to modify your commerce profile, you can go here called commerce profile, and you can see the products you've listed, those you're buying and selling, and the ratings people are giving to you. So that's basically what people see when they see your profile. All right. So that's it about the marketplace. So I want you to list as many products as you can that you have on the Facebook marketplace.